Mr. LeBeau's case. Laura.
Joshua Warren. Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Warren, please state your name, sir.
My name is Joshua William Laura. I am representing myself in this case.
So you don't want to be represented by an attorney?
No.
All right. Well, I would say there come some perils with you representing yourself. You understand that, sir?
No. I know
You
the
don't
issue.
understand?
I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I know what I'm doing. You are
I'm
working.
sorry?
You are being paid by Adolf Mack to fry me. This is conspiracy for murder. Your wife, Judge Simpson, came up here pretending to be Ann Arbor Comprehensive Care Center yesterday. You are originally the Tux family. You are an Egyptian lord. You're Illuminati. If you do not help me,
I'm Illuminati?
I will sue you and criminally prosecute to the fullest extent.
Okay, I welcome that. You're invited
Thank
to
you,
do
sir.
so.
Thank you.
What do you want to do with your case today?
Ellen Laura, Adolf Mack, Jeffrey Peak, Cynthia Miller, Frank Stanton tried to set me up, along with Derek Miller and Ryan Miller.
Okay,
They're
but
the
I've got to
Ku
do
Klux
something. I got to
Klans.
do something. I got to do something with your case.
Huh?
I've got to do something with your case. What do you want me to do?
I would like to sue, and what am I in court for today? And I would like to prosecute to the fullest extent.
In a shocking courtroom moment, the defendant boldly refuses an attorney, calling himself a jailhouse lawyer. He claims the entire system, even the judge, is part of a murder conspiracy. As the judge tries to explain the charges, the man spirals deeper, naming politicians, billionaires, and secret societies. The tension is thick, and the judge remains calm, but everyone in the courtroom knows this hearing just turned into something no one expected.
Okay, so
And
let
I
me
can
do
sue
this.
for 10 times the amount of what was stolen from me. They stole $666.8 million from me. They then turned it into $5.5 trillion and then put a hit out on me. I legally can sue for 10 times that amount, which would be $550 trillion. And I can criminally prosecute to the
I'm with you.
Which is
I'm
my
with you.
right.
I did the math too. Listen, here's the thing.
Mhm.
I have to advise you, because if you are going to represent yourself, what you're here on, okay?
I'm doing it over Zoom.
So you're here on a complaint that alleges that on October 15, 2025 on South Main Street
Pentagon's
in the
using
city of
prisons
Ann
and
Arbor,
that's
Washington
Zoom,
County,
mess up.
that you failed to stop at the scene of an accident regarding resulting in serious impairment or death. Do you understand that charge?
$1 trillion.
Yeah, sure. And that's a felony, punishable by up to 5 years incarceration, a $5,000 fine plus court costs.
Which is actually 10 times the amount, because I can sue because it's conspiracy to murder, and sovereign law would make it 100 times the amount, but since it is conspiracy to murder, sovereign law
I'm with
does
you.
not
I got
exist.
you. I just have to let you know what you're charged with.
I can sue for
There's
1,000 times the
count 2
amount.
on the complaint that alleges that on that same date and at that same time, that you did commit a moving violation causing serious impairment of a bodily function. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So there are serious perils in representing yourself as opposed to having counsel. I would just have to advise you, you'd be treated the same. You were charged with making sure that you have an understanding and that you abide by the Michigan rules of that you abide by the rules of evidence and the rules of procedure. You understand that?
Yes, Senator Simpson.
All right. And the other thing that I have to advise you of is that at any point during these proceedings, you wish to have counsel.
No, I do not want any counsel, and I want a bench trial, not a jury trial. Because a bench
And
trial
then
is
if at
backed
any
on
point you do,
objective evidence.
if at
A bench
any
trial is
point you
objective
do
evidence.
want counsel, you just have to let the court know, and the court will make sure that you have counsel.
No,
You
I do not
understand
want
that?
counsel.
Okay, so what do you want me to do with your case today?
I would like to do a
gotten through
bench
that
trial
part.
because a bench trial is on subjective
bench
evidence
trial?
and a jury
Well,
trial
that's
can
not
be
gonna happen.
bribed. And they're trying to
Okay,
bribe the jury.
you can go to circuit
So
court and
I
have a
want to
bench trial.
prosecute with sovereign law and it's conspiracy to murder, and Donald Trump and Elon Musk are involved, and I can sue for 1,000 times the amount. And sovereignty
Your
does
Honor,
not
I can
exist
interrupt
because
you.
the amount of money that
I
they
don't know,
put
I've not
in
been very
on
good at
me,
it, but.
and Donald Trump and Elon Musk and Adolf
So-
Mack and Doug Minkoff and Jeffrey Peak and Ellen Wara all have estates that and residencies in states that do apply the death penalty. I would like to get
Okay, I'm with you.
Okay.
I got you. Let me hear from somebody else real quick.
Your Honor, if I was working with Mr. LeBeau on this file, I was going to be asking for an adjournment as this is a new file. The defendant is on surveillance video at the intersection of this crash causing this accident and then fleeing the scene. That has not been provided to either the defendant or his attorney if he has
I'd like to
one.
give
So
Dr.
we would
Trump
need
the
more
right to
time.
care.
The defendant's on parole. If he's entertaining the idea of representing himself, I think it's important that we refer him to first.
Well, I don't know that I can do that right this second, although maybe. But here's what I'm gonna do. Sir,
Judge Simpson.
I'm gonna adjourn your
I do
case
not want
out.
a jury trial. You cannot adjourn this. This is a high-profile case. Where I can't.
Okay, but you
There
haven't
are too many
seen the
people involved.
You
You have a
haven't
Neuralink
seen.
in your brain, and you are being manipulated and bribed and conspired against for murder by the Nazis. You will work with me.
Oh, Raiden. So you don't want an adjournment?
No, I do not want an adjournment. I want a bench trial.
Okay, so
and based on
listen,
factual
listen.
evidence, the jury trial can be bribed.
I hear you. So the only thing that can happen is I can set this for a preliminary examination, but you haven't seen all the evidence.
What started as a simple hit-and-run hearing quickly explodes into chaos. The defendant insists he's owed trillions of dollars, accusing everyone from Donald Trump to Elon Musk of trying to kill him. The judge tries to keep things professional, but the man keeps demanding a sovereign bench trial, claiming the jury can be bribed. You can feel the disbelief on every face in that courtroom. It's like watching reality bend inside a courtroom.
I don't need all the evidence. I know all the evidence. Let me get a discovery packet, though, so I can represent myself, though, please. With all evidence, I would like to see.
You want to represent
all records
yourself?
and all evidence.
All right, listen. Okay.
I would like to
So you want this
subpoena
set
Bill
for preliminary
warrants.
examination?
I would like to subpoena Bill Wara. I would like to subpoena Scott Casey, the Michigan militia, all of their phones, Doug Minkoff, Jeffrey Peak, Adolf Mack, Donald
Oh, we're not
Trump,
bringing out those people.
Elon
That's-
Musk.
Yeah, okay. If you want to subpoena them, then you can. But I'm not bringing all those folks. My problem is he's asked for his exam. So I will have to set it. I wonder who'd like to hear them.
Your Honor, would we still be on the case?
Hang on, I'll get to that in a minute.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So I'm gonna indicate he doesn't want his discovery. Says he doesn't need it. Would they? Yeah. I'm not gonna have the complaint. That's right. So yes, I'm gonna do it. Yeah, you're gonna be mad. It's okay.
You don't care about me.
I don't care about your feelings because you don't care about mine. But we shouldn't air this enough. I have to do the. No, I can't. I cannot. So I have to do it. I got you. I hear you, but I can't do that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this for defendant invoking what he has. Would prosecutor have their witnesses available the 28th?
Yes, sir.
Sir? I'm gonna give you your preliminary examination. So your preliminary examination will be set in person on...
So he's just saying, yes, sir.
No, I know, but I realize it's closed.
With Carol Conkey in East Hope, et cetera, et cetera.
Excuse me?
Carol Conkey is involved. She is at 22nd Judicial Circuit Court with Figer and Ellen Warren and Jeffrey Peake. Elon Musk is with Trump at the Michigan Supreme Court in Lansing. I do not want to adjourn. I want a bench trial.
I am not adjourning. I'm giving you the quickest preliminary examination I possibly can.
Yes, sir.
But I have to hear from all sides regarding that. I would set it for the 28th. Counsel, most of these witnesses are police witnesses, so we could at least begin.
Okay, thank you. What's today?
That's a yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
What is today, Cedric Simpson?
Pardon?
What is today, Cedric Simpson?
Today is the 23rd.
Okay, Miss Lee, I'm sorry that I'm executing your husband.
You're executing what?
Miss Lee's husband, who is Adolph Mack, giving him the electric chair. And I'm suing him for everything he owns. He's JP Chase Morgan. He owns Chase Bank. I want Chase Bank. He's Hitler.
Okay. All right.
I'm suing for Chase Bank and giving JP Morgan Chase, who is Adolph Mack, the electric chair.
Okay,
If
thank
Elon
you.
Musk works with me.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna
And
do.
Donald Trump.
I don't know that we'll be able to go, given how you're
Yes,
acting.
we will.
but
I want
I'm
a
gonna
bench
set
trial
your
today.
preliminary examination.
I am sorry, Cedric Simpson, that the and Adolph Mack, JP Morgan.
I'm gonna set your preliminary examination for October 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. That will be before me. I'm not, if I let the PD off, because I may, on my own motion, be referring for competency, I will do it that day. But so right now, to answer your question, Mr. LeBeau, you are still on the case. Because I think the more the merrier.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. No, you're not really thanking me, but I get it. All right, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Despite the wild accusations, from secret Illuminati plots to suing Chase Bank, Judge Simpson never loses composure. With patience and control, he calmly sets the next hearing date, even as the defendant talks about executing billionaires. It's a masterclass in restraint, a moment showing how justice stays steady, even when the courtroom falls apart around it.